Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make some espresso with this de-longhi espresso maker. So first, you're going to want to look in the back, make sure this is filled up with water. You can see there, and you want to make sure that it is pushed down completely. And then next, you're going to want to make sure it is turned on and it's heating up the water now. And then next, what you're going to want to do is put the espresso that I have here that's already pre-ground. You can grind your own up and make it really fine, but I choose to just buy this, and it's very fine. You're going to want to make sure to select the 2, so you can get a double shot of espresso. Just pop that in there. And then you want to put this filter in here. Just put some grounds right in there, and then take the bottom side of this and tamp it down a little. More grounds, then tamp it down, and then you're going to want to make sure that it is pretty firm in there. There we go. All right, next you're going to want to put the coffee in, so just pop it up here and then twist to the right just enough to make sure that it is straight on. You don't want to put any cup really underneath. I just have an espresso glass. And then now that the light is green right here, we're ready to turn on. And then you're just going to want to wait at least 30 seconds till your glass is filled. Alright guys, now that it's done, just take it out and enjoy. In no way is this a perfect cup of espresso or anything like that. I'm no espresso connoisseur. I'm just trying to teach you the basic way to try and make a cup of espresso. And here we are. All right, enjoy.